Hey Shopify sellers! Welcome back to Taranker's YouTube channel. Today, we'll show you 4 key reasons why offering discounts can significantly boost your Shopify sales. Reason 1. Discounts increase customer acquisition. By lowering the initial purchase barrier, you encourage first-time buyers to take that leap. On Taranker, you can find top apps like title pop-ups that help you engage visitors with discount pop-ups. And don't forget, Taranker lets you claim exclusive offers on these apps, ensuring you're getting the best deal to implement your strategy. Reason 2. Discounts boost conversion rates. Offering a limited time or volume-based discount gives your customers the incentive to act quickly, increasing conversions. Apps like Shopify. Volume discounts let you easily set up volume-based pricing, encouraging customers to buy more. What's great about Taranker is the ability to compare apps side by side, helping you choose the one that fits your specific needs, whether it's volume-based, tiered, or percentage-based discounts. Reason 3. Discounts help build customer loyalty. Rewarding your existing customers with discounts encourages repeat business and loyalty. Apps like Joy, Rewards, and Loyalty Program allow you to set up a points-based reward system to keep customers coming back. With Taranker's claim offer function, you can unlock special deals on loyalty apps like this. Reason 4. Discounts are perfect for clearing out old or excess inventory. Offering bundled or bulk discounts can help you sell slow-moving items faster, freeing up valuable storage space. Apps like Pumper Bundles, Volume Discount, and Unlimited Bundles and Discounts make it easy to set up these offers. Unsure which app is the right choice? Use Taranker's Compare function to see the features, pricing, and user reviews side by side so you can make an informed decision. Head over to Taranker.com, explore our discount app category, and start optimizing your sales strategy today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Shopify tips and tricks.